Samagana Music Festivals, we invite you to immerse yourself in an unforgettable celebration of sound, culture, and community. Set in the iconic Chaudaya Hall, our festival promises an enchanting ambience where every note resonates with the best acoustics in town. Picture yourself enjoying world-class performances on a beautifully decorated stage, complete with a stunning LED backdrop and live streaming that brings the magic to life. Indulge in a delightful culinary experience at our food court where delicious flavors await to satisfy your cravings. With ample car parking and air-conditioned comfort, we ensure your experience is as enjoyable as the music itself. Join us at Bharatiya Samagana Sabha, where every moment is crafted to create long-lasting memories, and discover why this festival is the ultimate destination for music lovers. Come, let us celebrate together. Join us at Bharatiya Samagana Sabha for the Samagana concerts, where we celebrate the rich tapestry of Indian classical music and culture. Our thematic concerts are not just performances, they are immersive experiences that transport you through the enchanting nuances and traditions of our heritage. By attending, you'll deepen your appreciation for the timeless artistry of our past contributors while enjoying a nostalgic journey that resonates with the soul. Together, let us honor our roots, enhance our knowledge, and create unforgettable memories in a friendly and welcoming atmosphere. Come for the music, stay for the magic. Experience the beauty of tradition at Bharatiya Samagana Sabha. At Bharatiya Samagana Sabha, music takes flight, a symphony woven in pure delight. From maestros famed to stars on the rise, and prodigies young with wondrous ties. Legends who've graced the grandest stage perform here, carrying wisdom of a timeless age. Young talents carving paths so bright, their music becomes a beacon, a guiding light. Why should you come? Oh, so do you say? It's more than a concert, it's magic at play, where ragas embrace the night and day, and rhythm and melody find their way. Not just in halls, but far and wide, our music lives online with growing pride. Relive each note, each soaring strain on YouTube, where it all plays again. So step right in, be part of the sound. Let music connect, uplift, and astound. At Bharatiya Samagana Sabha, we promise you this, a journey of joy, a world of bliss. Immerse yourself in the rhythms of our culture and honor our beloved maestros at the Matanga Awards, a heartfelt tribute to those who have significantly shaped our musical landscape.